Hello guys, good morning. As for today's video, we are assembling the jigsaw puzzles. This one guys, we make so many animals, so many dogs there. How many pieces? It is jigsaw puzzle. How many pieces this one? 1,000 pieces. 1,000 pieces. I don't know how many minutes or how many hours we can make this one. So just follow mo guys. Sundan nyo ako. Samahan nyo kami guys to make this puzzle finish. Okay, let's start. So bago tayo magpatuloy guys, mag-intro muna tayo. Let's go! Me guys to make this puzzle finish. Okay, let's start. Let's start guys. We start the puzzle. How to make this? Assembling the puzzle. 1,000 pieces. OMG, so big. Oh, so this is it guys. So many dogs, different kinds of breeder. What kind? So many kinds of breeds. La like that. So we put down all the pieces. Wow, my goodness, so many pieces. I don't know we can finish this for the whole day. Oh, still have. Okay, so this is it. Finish. Oop, we empty the paper. Wow, look guys, so many. I don't know how can we make this one. So please follow me and help me guys. We make the puzzle. Okay, let's start. You start now. So let's start. I think before we start, we begin it at the side, 4 sides. We find the 4 sides. I don't know where is the 4 sides. I think it's so difficult to find the 4 sides. I think no, that is not the 4. I think it's so difficult to find the 4 sides, the 4 corners. You will find the 4 corners first, so it's very easy for us to make a hole. I think it's really difficult. Or we find the color, the same color first. There is no number here. Oh. Riddle. So no, mommy, this is also many the same name. So many. I don't know how can we make this one, guys.
Maybe we need to find ones of the same fruit.
Okay, but we cannot all put with the same color because this is also the. I think it's so difficult. Have you find the 4 corners, mommy?
Try to find it.
I think I cannot find it. Here, no? Okay, you help me guys find the 4 corners or the 4 sides. Because if we find the 4 sides, it's very easy to make it. Okay, the first 4 corners, we find the first one. Yes, this is the 4 sides. Number 1. We find it already one. Now we find another corners, guys. Yeah, we find a two, number two. Yeah. So guys, all the corners is in here already. Wait, I cannot find. This is all the four corners, the four sides. So we start, guys. We put all the corners, make arrange. You see, guys, this is it. Almost 1 hour we make, but still difficult to make. I think we cannot finish. I don't know if we can finish this one for the whole day. This is already, no, it's almost 2 hours already, this one. But until now, only this is the one. The result for almost 2 hours making. It's not easy to make the puzzle, this kind of puzzle, so small. So let's continue, guys. I don't know if we can finish this for the whole day. It's so big. Only this. See? Di pa matapos. Tapos, not yet done. So, ayan guys, hanggang ngayon, di pa namin mabuo-buo. Ilang oras na, 5 oras na. It's already 5 hours making this puzzle, but still cannot do it. Still cannot done. Still continue making the puzzle. So many and then difficult. Still continue, guys. So this is it. You look, guys. Whole day, this is only we make it for the whole day. Let's continue tomorrow. So this is it, guys. I'm done for almost 3 days. Yeah, jigsaw puzzle. We made it for almost 3 days, guys. 1,000 pieces. Just look. Very small piece. Not so easy, but we made it. Guys, different kinds of dog pieces. So this is it. At last we make it. Okay, this is it. So okay, guys, until here, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Tonas Mix channel, guys. God bless. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.